You don't know if you don't try. Here we are out in the parking lot of the iVue Robotics Workshop, about to try 3 collision avoidance sensors on this Develop Air Mini, forward, left, and right, and we're gonna see if all 3 of them work, right?
That's right.
Motor's armed. Not yet.
Motors armed.
No GPS, all just here flow, or not H flow.
I'm gonna try not to get in its way for now. If you want to leave it at that height, that's fine. I just wanna.
Yeah, all right. The right sensor's working. Left sensor's working, all right. And now do what you really want to do, send it back this way. Little limbo. How low can you go? Can you go down low?
Let's see, we kind of figure out the distance. So tell me when it's not you moving it and it's reacting by itself.
I haven't been moving it at all, I mean really,
Okay.
but. That's pretty far.
Yeah.
I would say that's easily 2 meters.
I think we have it set to 6 feet.
6 feet or 6 meters?
I think 6 feet.
That's definitely more than 6 feet.
I'm gonna get it away from the car and the building a little bit.
Yeah, we get our cars out of the way, this other guy's car.
Yeah, I mean, I'd say it's.
Oh, dude, we could play like a Pong game. We could play create a drone Pong. We each have a cardboard and have to try to. Or no, is that Pong? Yeah, that's Pong, right?
It's Pong.
Can't get my foot up that high. Not sustained anyway.
What happens is if we both approach, it's probably stupid, but.
We sandwich it. Yeah.
I mean, it's doing its job, right?
Yeah, I mean, really well.
We can decrease the distance
Yeah.
that it detects, but.
Decrease the distance.
Now the question is, I want to see how fast it can react. So just hold it steady and then walk, yeah.
This is product testing.
Just shy getting there. Use the controller. Yes. I think right now it should have been set to stop, and I think it is. I think it's just
The
I think
optical
I have the
flow.
simple avoidance enabled, so it's trying to actually remove itself or move away from the obstacle in the opposite direction.
Yeah, I think to Gerardo's point, it is stop. It's just we don't have a stationary target that I guess we want to send it at. I mean, we could try the building here, but.
No, I think it definitely avoids. It's definitely avoiding. It's not just stopping,
All right.
right? Because it's backing away from you.
Yeah.
But then we also aren't really sure because we don't know how much of the here flow
Is
also playing a part on this like movement.
And so the reason why we're not testing it out with the GPS is because the GPS unit all of the sensors we're using are via I2C, and there's some interference amongst some of the sensors. Do you have more details there?
Yeah, so the GPS itself is also communicating via I2C. I saw there's 2 addresses, 12 and 14. One of them is for the internal compass and the external compass. Those sensors are set up, I think, on 14, 15, and 16. So there's some conflicting addresses on the I2C bus that I think are giving us issues with the GPS unit. And now that I've changed the addresses on those sensors, I can't change them again unless I have an USB to I2C cable, which I don't have right now. But I am interested to see how well it does on using GPS and like using autonomous waypoints to see how it reacts on its own. Because right now we're not really, since we haven't tested GPS, I don't know how much of the here flow sensor is trying to get back to its original position.
Which is characteristic of what it does without these sensors.
Yeah. Whenever we would
avoidance
send it
sensors.
and brake, it would like come back and reverse itself.
Yeah, because to Gerardo's point there, out of the way of all the collision avoidance sensors, it wants to adjust its position, right? And maintain its position even with, and so,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's trying to come back to the original point.
So I guess to really test this out in the best way possible, we need to find a way to get it to work with these sensors to work with the GPS.
Yep.
And we may need to use another GPS unit or...
Well, right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch to a CAN type sensor.
Okay,
So
yep.
we're gonna eliminate the whole I2C addresses conflicting. I could get these to work on I2C, but I just have to get the cable, but I'm also wanting to test out those other LiDAR sensors that we have, just to see how the performance of those work. And that'll be on a CAN communication, so it should work differently and shouldn't have any issues with the onboard GPS.
Developer Mini is telling me I smell bad. All right, I think,
It's all,
yeah, all we need to cover in this video. All right, Developer Mini's coming down, did its job. Thanks for watching, peace, we'll see you in the next one.